Last week on Candy Apple TV, I showed you how to make Mickey Mouse candy apples for birthday parties, baby showers, and pop-up events. This week on Candy Apple TV, I, DIY Queen Diva, will show you how to make Hello Kitty cute candy apples. These are just darling. Here I use 3-2-1 candy apple recipe. I use this candy apple recipe for small batches. 3 cups of sugar, 2 cups of water, and 1 cup of corn syrup. Here I have Hobby Lobby's gel food coloring. It's soft pink. I added 1 drop to the candy apple mixture. This is soft pink for my soft pink candy apples. Dip your Granny Smith apples. Rotate your apples in your candy apple mixture. Bring it up and scrape the bottom of your apple on the side of your candy apple pot. This candy apple pot is a pot that can be found in my Amazon bake shop. Click on the link down in the description box below. I am using 3-2-1 candy apple recipe, one of my favorite candy apple recipes for small batches, due to one of my subscribers asking me to make Hello Kitty candy apples. She loved the Mickey Mouse candy apples so much that she wanted me to make Hello Kitty candy apples, and of course I said yes. Here I have my Hello Kitty cookie cutter, and the link is down in the description box below if you are interested in getting this particular cookie cutter. Now you may have to push your fondant out of the cookie cutter and it looks like this. So I'm gonna do this one more time. Your fondant may get stuck, extra fondant, you just peel it off and you push your fondant down through the cookie cutter and start on your eyes. You just push through the black fondant to make your eyes. Now with this, you may have to get a toothpick or some type of fondant tool. I have my fondant tweezers and I just push out and apply the eyes on the Hello Kitty fondant face. These will be absolutely cute for candy apples. So once I apply the eyes, I work on the nose. I cut out the nose the same way I did the eyes and apply the yellow fondant on the Hello Kitty face. Now this fondant sticks right on top of fondant because it's sticky. I have not used any Talos powder, gum tex, or any cornstarch. This is just fondant on top of fondant. And if it doesn't stick, you just apply a dab of water on the back of the fondant and attach it. Here I have my edible poppy paint to paint on the black whiskers. Now there is cookie cutters for the whiskers, but they're so tedious. I do not recommend using those. I just recommend applying poppy paint, edible paint to paint on the whiskers. The edible poppy paint is also found down below in the description box in my Amazon bake shop. This is a look at what edible black poppy paint looks like. I got my paint palette from the Dollar Tree, and this is something that I just use for treats. Now I apply the Hello Kitty face to the candy apple. It just attaches on. I did not add any water or anything on the back of the fondant, but if you need to dab water on the back, please do so. The only thing about using a dab of water or the edible adhesive glue to your fondant and candy apples, sometimes those fondant pieces slide down, so you want to use just a dab. You do not want to use a lot or your pieces will slide off the apple or slide down the apple. I have too much gold luster dust here I need to scrape off. I will be adding lemon extract. This is lemon extract by McCormick. And you just stir it up with your treat brush. Okay, this is the bow that came along with the Hello Kitty cookie cutter and the print that you press down on after you have your main bow to make your lines like this. The advantage of making your fondant pieces while your candy apples cook is that this fondant sticks on top of one another without a dab of water the majority of the time. So that's why I like to do my pieces the same day. But if you need to do your fondant pieces ahead of time, that's totally fine. Just know that those pieces do get hard and they won't be as flexible if you need your fondant to be flexible. Here I am adding on the gold luster dust. I am just being creative in my own way. If you have enjoyed this cute Hello Kitty candy apple tutorial, make sure you stay tuned to watch my other best candy apple tutorials right here on Candy Apple TV with DIY Queen Diva. I'll see you in a few seconds over in my next candy apple tutorials and my candy apple bow tutorials.